So, it is Sunday and we are at Ruby's garage. Oh yeah, look at that. We got some snow. Oh yeah. See how much here? Oh, probably about 2 inches. Oh yeah. So yeah, not much going on today. I love that. Every time I go make a video, I gotta turn the radio down. Anyways. So what we're doing now is, yeah, I'm still working on this. I've been sicker than frig. You can tell in yesterday's video and today's. But I freaking welded a patch in there, you know, I think it was 4x3. And notched it out right here, because this brace. Notched it out, welded it all around, all the way around. There's a little bit up here I gotta take care of. And I don't even think I'm like right there's a pinhole. Right there. And right there you got a freaking hole, so beg my pardon. But I don't know if I'm doing anything with that. It looks shitty, but it ain't a lawnmower. Maybe I will, because right here's your support for your wheel, so even though it's kind of thick right there, even though it kind of rusted through, I can't even bend it down. So yeah, that's what we're doing right at the moment. Yeah. Oh, I got something else I want to show you here. I got tired of the dash. It was son of a bitch there. So I put a little weld there, and one right there. So, I mean, it's a little stronger, not much. At least it's not freaking like 95 down the road and just freaking the dash like falling off, That's making me mad. Oh, you guys haven't been sending me any stickers or asking me about my my P.O. box, So you guys gotta send me your stickers. Send me anything. Send me anything. But keep it PG, I say that, send me anything, but I want you to keep it PG, Nothing, too, rated R. So, yeah. Holy frig, look what I just done. Oh my. Wonder if I can get it up on there. Zooming in. Yeah. Zoom back out. This sucks really bad. Yeah. I welded a 1/4-inch bolt onto my little pen antler there. You know what I'm gonna do with that bolt? I'm gonna put you guys on it. Yeah. So we can go for a little romp. have today here at Ruby's Garage. Till next time, keep on tuning in. Yeah!